Hey guys, so today I wanted to talk to you all about the Brazilian blowout. I recently got it on my hair about a week ago and I absolutely love it. I got it because initially my hair gets really frizzy, and I do like my natural waves, but I don't like the frizz, and I hate that I had to blow dry my hair. And like, let's say there were events where I wanted my hair straight and then it would end up curly by mid-event, and it just honestly, like, I just heard great things about it. It is not as strong as the keratin treatment, which does leave your hair pin straight, so it's definitely not that intense. I'm not a hairstylist, so I am going to read to you what it says online about the Brazilian blowout. Wow, here's my computer. So, Brazilian hair straightening is a semi-permanent hair straightening method done by temporarily sealing a liquid keratin and preservative solution into the hair with an iron. Yeah, that is the Brazilian blowout, and if you look more online, if your hair is wavy, the Brazilian blowout will make your hair appear naturally straight and healthy. If your hair is very curly, it will minimize frizz while enhancing the appearance of the natural wave or curl. Me. If you have straight, frizzy hair, this treatment will eliminate frizz and promote radiant shine. It does say that the treatment lasts about 12 weeks. So I am 1 week in, and I did just wash my hair. I haven't put any other product in my hair. I've only washed it with some purple shampoo and my conditioner. So what I wanted to do for you guys today is show you how my hair dries naturally without blow drying my bangs, without doing absolutely anything to my hair. I want to show you guys to see if it's worth it for you. It was definitely worth it for me. I absolutely loved getting my Brazilian blowout, but I wanted to just do y'all a favor and give you a review of my Brazilian blowout. So what I did right now is, after I showered, I'm just gonna brush my hair with this little wet brush. I think that's what they're called. And that's it. This is the only thing I'm gonna do to my hair. I'm not going to blow dry it. I'm not gonna do anything. I really just wanna show you guys how my hair dries with the Brazilian blowout. Okay, so I'm almost getting ready to leave my house, and my hair has dried a bit. I know I said I wasn't going to add anything to my hair, but it is a very humid, disgusting day out in Miami. So I'm going to apply a little bit of argan oil to my ends. I guess since this is a hair tutorial video, I might as well show you how I apply it. Okay, so I'm just gonna apply a little pump, just like that. Spread it around. And I normally apply from like ponytail out, and then I just leave the residue on my hair on the top. Yeah. So yeah, I'm just doing that because it is very humid and don't want it to look the slightest bit frizzy, even though it really doesn't happen with a Brazilian blowout, but a little bit of oil never hurt anybody, right? So it is currently about, I think, an hour after I actually have much better lighting here. It's an hour after I washed my hair. Oh my god, wait. This is the first time I show you guys my scrubs. This is basically as wavy as my hair is going to get. It's not straight, as you guys can tell, but it's very manageable. I have zero frizz. My top of my hair does get a little more wavy than the bottom, but I absolutely love the Brazilian blowout, like, so much. So I forgot to mention earlier how the process went when they actually did it to me. So what my hairstylist did is that she touched up my color and washed my hair, and then she put in the treatment. And what they do is they basically, as I read earlier in the description, they seal it in with an iron. And after that, I stayed in with the treatment on for the rest of the day. She finished like around 2-3 p.m. and I did not wash my hair. It stayed pin straight, and I didn't wash my hair till the next morning. And the next morning I just rinsed with water only, and then I put in an Olaplex treatment into my hair. That's it. Now the same night, right? So the next day, did the treatment on a Friday. Washed my hair in the morning, Saturday morning with only water and Olaplex. Saturday night, I washed with shampoo and conditioner, and that was it, guys. That was it. So I'm going to take you guys on the rest of the day with me to show you how my hair goes. You know, I have to go to the doctors, I have to go to school, I have errands to run. So I'm going to keep you guys updated of how my hair is throughout the day. And yeah, let's continue this vlog. Okay, what's up, guys? So I had to come back home after running one of my errands. I had to come drop off my sister and my mom at home. So my hair right now is completely dry. Again, the only thing I've put in my hair is that little argan oil, and that's it. All I did was wash my hair, shampoo and conditioner this morning, put in some argan oil when it was like semi-dry. I dried it just with a towel, left my house with it pretty much being wet, and this is how it is. Like, this is my texture of my hair. No tangles. I can run my fingers through it without it getting frizzy. It's really great. So I have to now go to campus and study, but I'm gonna take you guys with me and show you guys when I'm on my way home tonight after being outside and all how it's going. But I just wanted to update you. It's currently 1:37, and I'm pretty sure when I showered, I started this vlog at 9 a.m. after I showered. So yeah, guys, showered, hair 9 a.m., 1:37, completely dry, and this is my status of my hair. So I'm gonna keep showing you. Gonna go to campus now, but we'll keep this vlog going. Alright, I'm on my way home from a day of studying, and I wanted to follow up with you guys on my hair. So my hair did not get frizzy as the day progressed. It stayed just as you guys saw it when it was dry, and that is honestly something that not even a professional blow dry can achieve. I have only been able to get this non-frizzy look with the Brazilian Blowout, and that's why I recommend it so strongly and so much. So I'm gonna continue driving because I'm at a red light right now, and then when I get home I'll show you guys a full last look at my hair and give you my last recommendations for Brazilian Blowout. Alright, this lighting is really weird. Okay, and we're back. Finally, I am home after the super long day that I had. It is currently 8 o'clock, and my hair, guys, is exactly the same. It rained, it was humid. I even picked up my hair in a ponytail while I was studying. I put it in a bun, and my hair has stayed the same. Overall, if you're looking to eliminate frizz, if you want to either keep your natural curls, or you just want a very smooth texture, or if you're even trying to grow out your hair, I would absolutely recommend you getting a Brazilian Blowout. Some hairstylists might charge you a little more if you want to add it on to the whatever treatment you're doing. They actually might even discount you for adding it on. Just make sure you find someone who's licensed and who will perform this treatment for you. If you're from Miami, send me a message and I can recommend you to my girl. She's really good, and I'm really happy with my results. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have more, I don't know why I keep readjusting myself. If you have more questions regarding my hair care, if you want to know my transition, because I used to be like super brunette and now I'm like this, and it's taken me a really long time. It's taken me many years to finally get this color that I love. So if you want to know about that process, let me know down below and I can make another video talking about hair care. I do want to make a video talking about the shampoo products that I use and my favorite hair products that I use. So let me know if you want to see that. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope if you weren't sure about getting the Brazilian blowout and you saw this video, I really hope that it helped you. It gave you insight and it either helped you decide that this is what you're gonna get, or maybe it's not best for you. I truly recommend it 100%. It's gonna make your hair manageable. It's gonna make your hair not frizzy and just a lot easier to live with. And for me, I'm on the go. I'm in nursing school. I don't have time to blow dry my hair every time I wash it. So this really works for me. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will be posting videos every week, sometimes more. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!